Hey everybody, Mike Vistile here. Now in this video, we're going to talk about how to make money on Udemy. We're talking about $100 to $1,000 a day. More on that after the intro. Hey everybody, Mike Vistile here. Welcome to this video. Before we actually begin, I'll remind you that several spots have opened up for this week's free workshop where it is the fastest and easiest way to make money online, even as a complete beginner. But with that being said, let's just go on straight to the topic on how to actually make money with Udemy. The first step is to doing your competitor analysis and your research. So if you go in here and you say search anything, you can literally type in anything and certain things would come up. So if I just type in DIET, you can see all of these things that people are essentially searching for, from keto diet to ketogenic diet to binge diet. These are what people are actually looking for. Let's actually look for even like blog. So blog, blogging, blog, blogger, blog writing, blogger's guide, weight loss. You see weight loss coach, hypnosis, weight loss hypnosis, weight loss motivation, free weight loss course. All of these things are things that people are already looking for. So what you got to do is come in, click on this, and you want to see which one actually has the most amount of sales. And this is in Rupiah because right now I'm in Bali right now. There's 3,500 results. So what you guys got to do is go to these ones with the higher ones. Look at the weight loss that they're talking about. So as you can see here, weight loss and nutrition, lose fat and get your dream body. It has 940 reviews. So that's probably a lot of sales. And it's 2.5 hours. So it's not that bad when it comes in terms of like building your own course. And what you want to do is go straight to the reviews and look at all of the top reviews as well as all of the negative reviews. The reason why is because this is exactly how you could actually go ahead and improve the product. So I do not think it's good, but still seeing maybe he will give us knowledge because this we already know. Okay, this person can't really speak English, so we could even look at the 2 or 3 ones. This was a decent course, but not very engaging or interactive. So just like that, you could see exactly how you could create your unique selling proposition before you could go in and actually sell even more products. The thing you want to do is you want to go through all of these and write down things that they wish was in the product, because then you could go ahead and recreate the course and then actually put the things that it is that they wanted. So right now I'm already putting notes on, okay, make it more engaging and interactive. Maybe build a tribe, right? Maybe build a community that's off of Udemy. Look at this. I feel that it went off track and started to focus on losing fat and building muscle when that's not what it was meant to be about. I was looking more for information about losing weight and learning more about nutrition instead of building muscle, right? So just like that, you could help create a product just for Mary and just focus more on the nutrition. I have injuries that stop me from doing full workouts. I wanted to learn more about what is good to eat based on someone that doesn't go to the gym but wants to lose weight. That is a great product right there. How to lose weight without going to the gym. It's like a really good title that I just got. And look at this, 6,224 students. Some of those don't necessarily want all the things that was in this product. The presentation is very boring and not enough visual content. So just like that, I already have 3 things that I could already improve. Focus only on nutrition, not exercise at the gym. Make it more entertaining and engaging, and make it less boring. Less boring. Okay, there you go. The second thing you want to do is pull up Facebook groups and just try connecting with maybe 3 to 5 people that are also in a similar space so you could find more about their pain points. Because what you guys got to realize with Udemy is people don't want to buy their way into your course. They want to buy their way out of a pain point, out of, a depression, out of a sadness, out of a lack of confidence, out of a crappy relationship, out of something, right? Like for example, when I wanted to get a better body, it wasn't because I wanted to get a better body. I was running away from like the depression that I felt after like a heartbreak that I had when I was like in high school. Okay, that's why I focused on going to the gym. It was because, I wanted a good body. It was like, wow, I really feel like my heart is broken. I need to go focus on the gym right now to get more confidence in myself, because I almost forgot how to feel confident without this prospective other, right? So you need to dive deep into the pain points. And like I said, keep on talking to your dream customer and client. So here it is. Just start adding yourself in all these groups. You have Dad Bod Transformation, 54,000 members. Lose weight in 2 weeks, 107,000 members. Fitness and weight loss. I would just go in here and just start connecting with people that are already in the group. Maybe start adding them as friends and start reaching out to them saying, hey, we're in this group. I want to know exactly how to better serve you because I'm actually creating this course and maybe I'll give this to you for free. And the reason why is because before you could go ahead and create a course, the problem with most people do is they literally spend months of their life. They're like, okay, I'm going to go sell a course on Udemy. And they go out there and sell a freaking course on Udemy. And they're like, why isn't anybody buying? And they waste 5 months of their life trying to sell a course on Udemy, but no one has ever bought. The problem is because you don't know exactly who wants to buy, right? You need to speak to your customer's pain point. Okay, you need to know what their huge nightmare is. The reason why no one is buying is because you don't have a proof of concept yet, right? You need to first find your proof of concept. Before you could go ahead and sell to thousands of people, you need to see if you could at least sell the idea to 1, 2, or 3 people and have them pay you before actually going ahead and creating the course. It's like what a lot of people do in startups in Silicon Valley. They don't have a product. They do not have a product at all. They are pitching investors with something as simple as like a PowerPoint or maybe some notes on the future of this company when the company hasn't even started yet, okay? It's about the vision, right? You need to be able to sell the idea before you actually have the product. If you could get people to buy in to your idea of your new course, just 3 people, right? And even having them pay you money for it, even if it's just like $1, right? You know that there is a demand. And once you actually get the proof of concept from these Facebook groups, then I would actually focus on creating your course. You're probably wondering, oh, well, what do I actually create the course about? Well, you can see this is only 2 hours long and people are paying money for it. You can just see how they structured it and you could just model it, don't copy it, and just make it better based off of the reviews that they wish they thought they had, right? You literally see the concepts, the things that they talk about, the things that they lack. You could model it. Like I said, do not copy it, but you could use this as a framework to then make your course. Now, the moment you build and launch this course, here's the coolest thing about this. You don't have to just rely on Udemy, because if you were adding a bunch of people on these groups as your friends list and you could start positioning yourself as the expert or somebody else as the expert, you could literally start selling these people this course on Udemy. When people buy on your list of friends because you added them on your Facebook group and you start selling them to here, not only will it get customers here, but it will already increase your search rank when someone types in weight loss. You are more likely to show up on the front page because you are getting buyers off of Udemy. Udemy is like, whoa, these people are getting sales. They're getting reviews. This is probably a course that people want to buy. You're more likely to show up on the first page. Especially if you give them like a cheaper price for the people that you added friends with, they're more likely to give you more and more positive reviews. Does that make sense? Now, the 4th thing that you want to do, one of the biggest things that I saw is it was really boring. I wish it was more interactive. That's why you need to go ahead and build your own tribe off of Udemy, right? So that's why building a Facebook group and adding a Facebook group link in here so that they could join, so they're not just hanging out on Udemy. That's one way that they could go and build a community elsewhere. You could even do like weekly Zoom calls, get them all in a Zoom chat and have them all interact with each other. Because the thing about the course isn't the valuable thing. It's the community that's built around it. It's the support network. It's the people that are there for each other. It's where people can make friends, right? One of the best things that I did was become friends with people that were in the courses that I bought and invested in myself in the past. And what you need to do as a course seller, if you're trying to sell on Udemy, is you got to figure out how to build that environment around the pain point. Because when you could build people, a group around people with the same pain point, you literally create this cool community where now they never want to leave and they'll continue to buy more products and services from you. You could see not only are these 6,000 students that are going to give you about like $10, which is what this is, 10 to 15 bucks, but these are 6,000 people that will continually buy more things from you. If you want to do a high ticket virtual summit, they'll pay $100, $200, $500. If you want to do like a private Zoom consulting call, they'll pay $1,000 from this. This isn't where the main money comes from on Udemy. It happens when you build a community and sell the community more products and services, which leads me to the 5th thing, and that's selling other products and services. If you go ahead here, and we have free links in the description where we teach people about email marketing, starting your own website, building sales funnels like this, check it out below. But I could also create more different landing pages, getting them off of Udemy from my community and selling them other products. Like all I got to do then is just come in here, click on one of these pre-built pages, click on select template in this sales process software that I use. And just like that, I could go and create a sales process to get them off of my Facebook group as well as Udemy into my email list. The reason why is because then I could sell them more other products. I could get them on a phone call and ask them, what else is your pain point? Right? I could sell them on a $5,000 coaching program. And the thing about this is it's very simple. You just go in here, maybe change specific Images right there. You could come in here and say, where should I send your free training? Learn how to lose 5 pounds in 5 days without going to the gym and without doing a stupid diet fad. So just like that, I'm getting them off of Udemy. I am getting them off of Facebook. And now I'm building my own email list. This is where the actual asset is. This is where the business is. Because now that Udemy doesn't own their contact information, now that Facebook doesn't own their contact information, now that you own their contact information, you could constantly ask them, well, what is your pain point? What else sucks in your life? Awesome. You tell me what sucks in your life. I will go out there and create the product. And if I will not be the one that creates the product, guess what? I could partner with somebody that goes and creates a product for me. Or I could just sell an existing product. It's called affiliate marketing. Not only that, but you could also do this with any really product or service out there, right? You just find somebody that is an expert. You are the one that builds this list and you just sell that expert to your list. That way you never really have to do any of the work, but connecting products and services to people that are already looking for it. You're probably wondering, well, how do I know that people are actually looking for this? Because you got them at a place where they were actively searching lose weight on Facebook. They join any of these groups. Not only that, but maybe they actually bought courses on Udemy in the past. You looked at all these different reviews, the positive reviews and the negative reviews. You found out how to improve it. And that's exactly how you can make money on Udemy, by using Udemy as a way to build the tribe. Remember, the tribe is the most important part. This 6,000 people, he only made like 60 grand from this, but the big money happens on the back end when you sell $100 coaching, $1,000 coaching, group coaching, events, virtual summits, other people's informational products, affiliate marketing, so on and so forth. Supplements. You could sell supplements to these people, right? That way, these 6,000 people, it's really summed with the 1,000 true fans. If you get these 6,000 people to buy something from you that's only $100 worth every single year, that is a $500,000 a year business. $500,000 a year business by just servicing these 6,000 people and their pain points. That's why it's so important to find out what they were complaining about and their biggest problems, and even getting on the phone with them, because that's how you are ultimately going to sell them more products for the rest of your life. Like I said, if you have these 6,000 people that have given you money, if you just were able to find a way to give them value that they're paying you $100 a year, that's a lot of money. Even if you get 1,000 of these people to be your rabid fans, they're like, oh my God, I love you, you're amazing. And you just find a way to service them and find other people to service them and sell them supplements or other people's supplements just for $100 a year. That is $100,000 a year profit. Online business, guys. So that's how you make money with Udemy. It's not really from Udemy. It's off of Udemy and creating a sales process, building an email list. If you need more help with that, check out the free website and the free workshops below, as well as the free bootcamps. And with that being said, I'll see you guys on the next video.